Hi, this is Dan with Golden Boys Painting and Staining, and today we're going to be talking about how to roll a wall. When rolling a wall, there are many different options as far as the length of a roller cover. You can get a 4-inch, a 12-inch, a 9-inch, or an 18-inch. We prefer 9-inch roller covers. They're the most readily available, and it gives you the most control when you're rolling your wall. So you can find these at any different store. We get ours from Sherwin-Williams, Home Depot, any other big box stores. You're going to find a frame similar to this. When buying a roller frame, you're going to want to buy something of quality. Frames will range from a few bucks each all the way up to $15. Our frames usually cost about $10, and that's a good price point for something that's going to last. We like to use disposable tray liners. It makes our job go quicker and makes for easy cleanup. Take your roller and start applying paint to the roller cover, and you're ready to go. We suggest working in a motion similar to the shape of a W. Rolling up and down can leave lines, so by going at different angles, what you're going to find is that the finish looks better once it is dried. The biggest thing to avoid when rolling your walls is heavy lap lines along the sides. A lot of people will find that they push too much on one side of the roller cover and leave a heavy line on the outside. So it's important to lighten your pressure once you start getting towards the edge so that you're fanning out that finish and therefore giving you a really nice look to your wall. Make sure you're blending your new with your old. So what we mean by that is start further out from the last roll mark that you made and come back through. This will ensure a uniform appearance. As you can see, the wall has now been fully covered. Make sure you're not seeing any skips or any areas that you might have missed, and that's going to give you the best overall look to your finished wall. This has been Dan with Golden Boys Painting and Staining. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to our video channel for more tips, tricks, and how-tos.